how to turn off or on block numbers not in Phonebook on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn it off or on. First, just go to Truecaller and on here click on your profile and then click settings, and here we'll find block. Now scroll all the way down until you find this one, phone numbers not in Phonebook. You can turn it on or off. That's it, it's easy. And now just go back, it will be saved. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.